Dear Diary, Mom and I went out tonight to Jack Morano's. It was wonderful. We sat in a wooden booth all by ourselves. There was this really handsome older waiter who waited on us. He kind of treated us like a queen and a princess. I think he must have been at least 40, maybe even 45 years old. But he was pretty good looking even if he was old. I was so busy talking to my mom about Rob that I almost forgot to order. The waiter actually had to stand there a while and finally said, "Excuse me, miss, would you like to order?" I felt embarrassed because he heard everything I was saying about Rob, but what does it matter? We don't know him and he doesn't know us. I had to tell my mom exactly what Rob had been wearing and what he had said on the bus yesterday. I overheard him tell his friend Brian, that's the guy Jackie thinks is so cute, that he will be mowing lawns all over the neighborhood in the spring. I guess he'll be making a lot of money. I begged my mom to ask Dad if we can hire him to mow our lawn, but she said that for now, Dad wants to do it himself. She also said that I could help mow if I wanted to. Is she crazy? Why would I want to if Rob could mow the lawn for us? Then I would see him even more. I could stand in the window where he couldn't see me and watch him push the lawnmower. I told my mom that I love him so much, more than I ever loved Paul. She just smiled and let the waiter serve her meatballs and spaghetti. Why does she always just smile when I tell her things like this? The eggplant parmigiana was so delicious. The melted cheese was kind of crusty and the layers of eggplant were so tasty. I ate every bite. It came in a casserole dish that they cooked it in. I can't wait to go out again with Mom, and I'm going to keep harassing them about asking Rob to mow our lawn. I just have to.